In this video, I'm going to show you how to relocate a kitchen counter outlet. The line I drew there is where the end of a new tile backsplash will be, and the outlet is right on the edge of it. That's not going to work. We're going to reposition the outlet 9 inches over to center it on the wall space. When handling electrical, remember to turn the power off. Safety first. Enjoy the video.
Okay, so we'll undo the two hots, undo the two neutrals, and undo the ground wire. Phillips doesn't want to work on that, so let's use a straight blade. Okay, we are all disconnected. These two ground wires longer than the other so that it sticks through a hole at the tip of the wire nut. It's a good way to make your ground. Remove the box from the nail nuts in there, so we'll saw the nail off. We saw the plastic nail guides as well. One. It's released from all the ground, the mudding. There we go. Okay, so let's get the wires out of the box. Check and see how far over I can go. Okay, so I can go at least 10 inches over there. 10 is to there, so I'm going to center it in the base of the window. 10, okay, so that is 18 over. So let's go to, actually, okay, our countertop is 19 inches. Half that is 9.5.
7.5 inches.
To the hole on the bottom of the remodel box. And that is it right there. Okay, let's saw this out. And we're going to save the cutout for the patch where the old box was. And also, on these ones here, we have to cut the corners a little bit deeper for the wings that hold it together. Okay, just about done. Okay, so that will be our patch for the old box location. Now let's get our wires over to the new location. Okay, there's one. Okay, there. Okay, plenty of wire now. Okay, this is a shallow box, shallow remodel box. Where's the meat? Here's the shallow one.
This box is just going to have a standard outlet in it. If it was going to have a ground fault circuit interrupter, we'd need a full depth box.
Get another green wire nut. See how the long wire comes through the hole. Makes things a little simpler, faster. Now we can put our outlet back together here. See this ground wire here, it's got a little tiny hole in the tab. So you can stick your ground wire into that little hole. Then you can bend it and turn it. And your ground wire is locked in. These are pro-grade outlets, so they work better than your standard outlet. And these ones are also 20 amp outlets, so they have a little different of a neutral connector. It's a heavier duty connector and outlet. And there you go. Now do the neutrals. Neutrals just go into the holes there. Then you tighten these up and a clamp tightens in and holds the wires in place. Much better than a stick-in backside of an outlet. And same with the black wires. Slip them in their slot. Tighten them down. Careful with the screwdriver. More people stab themselves with a screwdriver slip than almost anything else. Okay. Then we will put the wires in. Okay, there we go. So So we're just going to fill this. I'll have to get that call later. So we're just going to kind of force it in all directions to fill out all the voids, and then when it hardens up it will be making nice good contact in there and hold everything nice and solid. Doesn't have to look pretty on the first coat. And our mud is a little bit on the thick side too. Okay, doesn't look like we're getting any slump, which is desirable. Excellent. Then I'm going to loosen up. Oh, give it a break there, mister. Oops. Not what I wanted. I wanted to pull out this. I'm going to load up behind the outlet here to... Oh, come on, get it. You ever notice how things never cooperate when you want them to? There we go. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is load up under this with my extra mud. The reason we're going to do that is the mud will harden in place and give us a tighter fit with this outlet box. And probably have a couple more minutes of work time with my mud here. And this will help the remodel box be more of a permanent fixture. Get in there. Okay. And we'll load that. Load that. Load the side. Load this side. And then shove it in. Okay. Let's get the excess off of there. there you go. This off with a wet rag. Remember, it is a ground fault protected outlet, and the hot and neutral wires are inside. The only thing that's getting touched at all is the ground. The ground is attached to the metal of the outlet frame. So there you go.